This is the power supply. And you fix it right there. This is the motherboard. You fix it right at the center. So this is the processor. Before you fix the processor, you have to make sure you look at where the four corners. There's one corner that hasn't got the pins just at the far end. So you have to make sure that is where this bit here sits. So you have to make sure all these pins, as you can see, they are all firmly fixed in there. Just go in with much ease, just like that, and you push that, and your PC is now firmly, your processor is now firmly fixed on your motherboard. This is the cooler or the fan, and it goes right on top of the this is the cooler. It goes right on top of the processor, and now I'm fixing it. This is the video card or the graphics card. Now I'm going to fix it right there. And you have to make sure you press it with as much ease as you possibly can. So this is another one of the PCIs that I'm about to fix as well. And it goes right here. It goes right here. One of the PCIs, like I said. Okay. This is the CD-ROM, and you have to put it through there. That's the hard drive, and it goes right in here. You can see all the components are now fixed. All you have to do is to do the cable connections. To connect the cables. Now the CD-ROM is connected to the motherboard. This is the connection from the power supply to the CD-ROM itself, and it goes right there, as you can see. Fix it. Can't hear it. This cable here connects the fan or the cooler to the main motherboard. Then tight them up together.